Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find the size of a specific file within ch.net. So how we can do that? First of all, we will create a new project and we will give its name file sizer and click OK. Now our working window has been created. We will just take one push button, OK, and double click on it. Now this is the callback of that push button, and whenever somebody used to click the push button, all the code within these brackets will get executed. Now we will write the code to find the size of a specific file. So first we will do one thing, and that is we will declare a variable whose name is pth. Okay, we have declared a variable whose name is pth, and it will store some data in it. Okay, and why we have just declared a variable? Because it will assign the data type to the pth, who on the basis of the data which is given to this variable. Okay, so we will write at the rate of c colon hash. Okay, now we will go and we will see the file. This is our file, so we will copy its path. Its name is u and .txt is its extension. So here we will write u.txt. variable path is equal to at the rate of this thing. Okay, so I have written 2 times. Okay, now we will write long ln t. Now we have declared a variable of long data type. It represents a 64-bit signed integer. Long int means that it is a signed integer of 64-bit. It is just like integer but with having capability of signing. Okay, so in lnt it is lnt. Okay, or l_nt. Okay, because it is the name of the variable. And here we will write new system.io.file info pth. Now the name of the variable must be given to this length. Okay, length. Okay, new system.io file info.pth.length function will find the length of the file. Which file? Which lies on pth path, because this is the path of the file. And .length function actually belongs to system.io.file. Okay, system.io class. So .length is just a function. Okay, also file info is also a method. Okay, so they will give all sort of information to l_nt, that which is a variable actually. Now so we will write what is the system.write line. System.write line. Okay, it's not system, it is console. Okay, sorry, it is console.writeLine. Okay, so this is console.writeLine will just print the thing which is inside L underscore nt, which is length, actually length or length. Okay, so now when we will click, it says 68, it says 68 bytes. Okay, or we can also write like this, plus bytes, plus bytes. So it says 68 bytes. So in this way, either we will check either it is of 68 bytes or not. So yes, it is of 68 bytes. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to find the size of the file within CH. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.